children. Are you ready to listen to another story I'm going to tell? If you are ready, then we will read this. But before that, do you think there is snow in Ho Chi Minh City? There is no snow in Ho Chi Minh City. It is very hot here. But in my story that I'm going to tell, I'm going to show you a snowstorm. Are you ready to listen to this? Okay? So the title of the story is The Snowstorm. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Booth, the farmer. She has two kids called Poppy and Sam, and a dog named Rusty. This is the dog, and his name is Rusty. This is Mrs. Booth and her children. In the night, there was a big snowstorm. It is very cold, and it has a lot of snow. In the morning, it is still snowing. You must wrap up warm, says Mrs. Booth to Poppy and Sam. So Poppy and Sam, they wore jackets, scarves, and hats so that they will be warm. Ted works on the farm. He helps Mrs. Booth look after animals. He gives them food and water every day. So this is Ted, and he takes care of the pigs and the other animals in the farm. Come and help me, called Ted. Where are you going? Says Poppy. I'm taking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. So this is the hay, and he's giving it to the sheep. Poppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard with Ted. They walk to the gate of the sheep field. So, this is Ted, Poppy, Sam, and Rusty. They are going to the sheep. Where are the sheep? Says Sam. They are all covered in snow, says Ted. We'll have to find them, said Holly. Oh, sorry, it's Poppy. They brush the snow off the sheep. Ted, Poppy, and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They've got nice warm coats, says Sam. So sheep has nice warm coats. They keep them warm during the snowstorm. Poppy counts the sheep. So can we count the sheep too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. There are only 6 sheep. One is missing, says Poppy. It's that naughty Woolly, says Ted. So Woolly is the missing sheep. They look for Woolly. They walk around the snowfield. Rusty, good dog, find Woolly, calls Sam. So Rusty, he will find Woolly for Sam, Ted, and Poppy. Rusty runs across the field. Ted, Poppy, and Sam run after him. Rusty barks at the thick hedge. So I think Rusty found Woolly. So let's see. Ted looks under the hedge. Can you see anything? Says Sam. Yes, Woolly is hiding here. Clever Rusty, says Ted. So hooray for Rusty, he found Woolly. Come on, Woolly. Let me help you out, good girl, says Ted. Carefully, he pulls Woolly out of the hedge. There's something else. Look, I can see something moving, says Sam. What is it, Ted? So what do you think it is? So we'll see. Ted lifts out a tiny lamp. Wooly has had a lamp, he says. We'll take it and Wooly to the barn. They will be warm there. So Ted pulled out a tiny lamp. It is Wooly's baby. So Wooly had a baby lamb. Poppy rides home. She holds the lamp. What a surprise, she says. Good old Wooly. So the story ends here. Did you enjoy the story? So if you enjoyed the story, clap 3 times and I say goodbye.